What's up mga coins? So for tonight or for today, we will be having the McDonald's Happy Meal. And what's with the Happy Meal? I don't know what it is. Ano daw? O squishy. Pero ang binili ko talaga, mga mukha ng animals. Ang binili ko talaga is, we will get first the meal. The Hello Kitty. So I bought the Kuromi. Sa Kuromi na ano siya, na crossover ng Ninja Turtles. So si Kuromi ko is Hello Kitty, Ninja Turtles x Hello Kitty and Friends. Ito siya. And I pick Kuromi. And ito si Friends niya. Ito yung top. Then ito yung bottom. So open natin siya for the next episode. Thank you for watching. I'm in the hospital.